Okay, so once you are logged into your K-12 school, even if you don't have any students uploaded yet, you can still create your BBC rooms. So you just click on My Schedule, and then over on the right, it'll say Schedule New. I'll bring it into here, and you can create whatever session type you'd like. I would recommend small group just because it'll give you a direct link to open up. Click continue. You can name it whatever you want. This stuff doesn't really matter quite yet. Just kind of make stuff up here so you can open it up. Click continue again. Just choose a date and time. I'll just leave it as pretty soon. And then you don't need to add any participants right now since you don't have any students assigned yet. And then you just click schedule session. Okay, and then you will go back to this page and you can just refresh, and the new one that you created will open, and you can just click on the link and open it up like you normally open a BBC room. And then you will be the moderator and you can do whatever you like in there, play around with the tools and things. Hope that helps.